Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos Roti. This unique dish combines the flaky texture of roti with classic nacho flavors. You'll need about 200 grams of cooked chicken or beef, 100 grams of shredded cheddar, and 50 grams of mozzarella. Also, prepare 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, and some fresh cilantro. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a familiar favorite with an exciting twist, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Now, let's prepare our roti base. Take each roti and cut it into 8 triangular pieces, just like you would with tortilla chips. Arrange these pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet. Lightly brush them with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, bake them in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes until they are perfectly crispy and golden brown. With your roti base ready, it's time to assemble. First, spread about half of your crispy roti pieces onto an oven-safe dish. Next, layer half of your cooked meat, chopped vegetables, and the cheese blend over the roti. Repeat this process with the remaining roti, meat, and toppings. Make sure to distribute everything evenly so every bite is packed with flavor. This layering creates a delicious, hearty meal. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the assembled nachos roti into an oven preheated to 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, and all the toppings are warmed through. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve immediately and savor this incredibly unique and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.